Welcome back to Useless German! Wait! You forgot to ask them to subscribe! Alright. Please subscribe, but let's get started. The first phrase I'm going to teach you is Jetzt geht's die Wurst. Again, jetzt geht's die Wurst. What does it mean? It's all or nothing. And here is what it literally means.
The Germans seem very fascinated with their sausages.
Here's the second phrase. Du bist auf dem Holzweg. Again, du bist auf dem Holzweg. What does it mean? You are completely wrong. And here is what it literally means. Alright, third phrase. Mir stehen die Haare zu Berge. Again, mir stehen die Haare zu Berge. What does it mean? I've got goosebumps. Alright, let's review really quick. First phrase we learned was Jetzt geht's die Wurst. The second phrase we learned was Du bist auf dem Holzweg. And the third phrase that we learned was Mir stehen die Haare zu Berge. Alright, thanks for watching. Put your comments in the section below and I'll see you soon. Auf Wiedersehen.